Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Purchased this T10 remote control for my Hero GoPro 12. So this one I purchased from Amazon for $28.99. It was like $29 plus tax. So I'm gonna test it right now with my Hero 12, see how good it is, and we'll let you know. So before doing this, I just want to show you the what comes inside the box. So this is the remote. Again, I purchased it from Amazon for $29.99, and it's a T10 remote control. And as they mentioned, like it can control 5 devices at a time. So if you have 5 GoPro, then you can operate all those with one single button. Like when you are doing some like taking interview or something, that time like you can easily use it. So in the box, the main remote control, and here's the instruction, and this is a strip, hand strip, and this is the charger. So this charging looks different, like you cannot directly, you always need, you have to have this charger because the charging port is different, and it's a magnetic port. So let me open this. So yeah, here it is. So it's not like a regular USB charger, it's a different one, so you cannot lose it. It's a magnetic one, which is very good, but you cannot lose it. You have to have it, not regular micro USB charger. And in this video friend, I will try to show you all the features that can be done with, all the work that can be done with this remote, except then connecting it to the multiple camera, because I have only one camera. I cannot show you that, but all other features I will try to demonstrate in this video. So I'm gonna put it on charge first, then I will connect it with my Hero and we'll do the testing. So friends, so when it is charging, you will see the charge is coming, like it is showing charging, and that will flash. So now it's fully charged, so let's now connect. Charging is done. Now I am going to turn it on. Sorry. Now I am going to turn it on, and I put it both close. The camera is on already, and let me turn it on. You can see, I'm not sure you can see it or not. So it is on right now. You can see the camera, and Bluetooth is flashing here. It's very difficult to show actually, because the display, I can see the Bluetooth is flashing. Now if I go to my camera and pair, so it actually you heard that beat, like and that time it actually got connected by itself. So now if I again come here, and it connected by itself, and I just turn it on, and you can see as soon as I just turn it on, you can see here in the paired, it shows that quick app. That is the remote. So it is that remote. And now if I like start recording, let me show you. So you can see here it is, and if I click on this, you can see it's recording, started recording, it's recording. You can see, and you can see the time here, like recording. You can see the time here also. The camera is flashing here, so you can see that, and you just stop it, and it stopped, and it says how many clips are there. So right now it is showing 2, means 2 clips are there, and it is also displaying the battery. I'm not sure how can you can see it on this or not. Yeah, like this is how you can see it shows 2. That means it has 2 clips. So that's how it is. And if I press this button, it will turn off. Long press, and it turned off, also the camera gets turned off, so both gets turned off. Now if I turn it on, the camera also turns on, which is really great. So as soon as I turn on this one, camera gets turned on. So this is really great. This what I need. Like I turn it off, you can see it is powering off, and if I turn it on, it is powering it on, which is great. And it is going to the default settings, like whatever settings it was, it's going to there. Now it is going to selfie mode. It's changing the mode. So you can see if you want to change your settings, like if you have multiple settings here, stuff, yep, now you can see it's, and if I press this settings button, it keeps changing. It's rolling through all the settings that I have set it up. So you can see all that I already set it up. You can see it keeps changing. So this is one good thing, but you don't know which one is actually selected, because if it is like this, like here, it doesn't show actually what settings it is right now. So that's one thing. There is one more feature this side, like to go to the quick mode. So this button right now, it is there. So you can see my quick mode, quick thing is video. This is the quick mode, video. So whatever mode you are, doesn't matter. Maybe you are in different modes. See, I am in different mode right now, and I want to go to my video. Just click here, it goes to the quick mode, which is pretty good. Like if you're not sure which mode you are, you can just simply click on that and it will go to that quick mode. This is the best one. This is very good. And now if you want to change your quick mode to different mode, so let's say I want this travel mode as my quick mode. So I have to first put it in travel and then long press here. So now travel should be my quick mode. So now if I change, let's say now I am in custom mode and I want to go to my quick mode, it is going to travel. So see, this is really good. So you can change anything, whatever you like in your quick mode. That's how you can set it up to your quick mode, which is really good. So now I have to do let's do the distance testing, but distance testing is also fine. And one more feature is it can work up to 10 hours with one single charge. This is really good. So let's do the distance testing. And also one more thing is that it can be connected to your iPhone. So I have iPhone, I will try with iPhone, like do the testing. So before that, let's do the distance testing. So friends, I put the camera over there. Like now I might be, I don't know how much it is, but I'm too far from that camera, so you can see the camera is there. And one more thing is it is turned off, so it is actually off. No, it is not off. So I am trying to, I put it off, I made it off, and here is my camera remote. Let me turn it on. So I just turned it on, and you can see here the camera gets turned on. You can see here, and let me turn the recording on. So I turned the recording on. I can hear the beep. I'm not sure if you can hear the beep or not, but one thing is, let me check the camera. It's very hard to see. Let's go to the camera and see, did it actually turn it on and is it recording or not. that's our test, and looks like yes, it is recording. You can see it is actually recording, so this is good. So distance test is passed, and also like you can turn on the camera using from a distance, which is really good. So let me turn it off. I stopped recording, and now let me turn it off. So it is powering off. So distance test is passed. So it passed the distance test, which is really good. I like it. From distance also you can turn it on and turn it off, and again the connection with this one, it's automatic. As soon as you turn it on, it gets connected with this device. So friends, I want to show you one more functionality of this remote. Is, if you see, like right now it is in video mode. If I want to switch, I showed you already, like if you want to switch between these modes, main like different type of recording that you set it up, all those modes. But if you want to switch between photo, time lapse and video, you can use this same mode, power button. But for to turn it off and turn it on, you have to put long press. But if you put a short press, just a press, you can see it's now switched to photo. And if I press again, it will go to time lapse, and again it goes to the video mode. So you can flip between those, so which is really great. Like all the functionality you can do with this remote, which is really good. And again, if you want to go to your quick preferred mode, you can just click on this and it will go to there. Now I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna connect it with my iPhone. Let's do it. So friends, to turn it on, like to use it with the phone, I did little research on it. Like it doesn't directly show up on your Bluetooth list, like here it's not showing up. And to go to actually phone mode, you have to long press this recording button, then it goes to the phone mode, and you can see right away this appears T10, this appears here. So if I connect Bluetooth pairing request pair, so it's get connected, now if I turn it off and to take the photo, I have to go to camera mode like this, and I can use this button to take photo. So it is taking photo, you can see here it is taking photo, but it cannot record or do anything. So this is one. Let's see if I go to video mode, can start recording. Yes, it can start recording. Also it is recording is also off, so it can do both. And so this one is working fine, so you can start recording as well. You can see now I'm in video mode, and I press this and it started recording here. And if I press again, it stopped recording. So you can do both, which is really great. So friends, I just tried to like play using this button, both the camera and the phone, but it didn't work. Like only one can connect, you can be used, either camera or the phone. But camera you can connect five, up to five, that's they said. But since I don't have five cameras, so I cannot test that one. I tried to see if for both phone and camera can work. No, it doesn't do that, it doesn't work. But other thing is, this remote is really working fine, so it is perfectly fine. So friends, that's all about this video. Like I tried to show all the functionality that this remote has, and I think it is very grateful. And all of you know why do you need a remote. I'm not explaining why do you need a remote for your GoPro, but it is really fantastic, and it's only $28.99. So that's the cheaper one I got. And the battery life is again 10 hours battery life with single charge. The only disadvantage that I saw is they are not giving a micro USB charger here. The port is different, so if you lose the charging cable, then you are a little bit stuck. That's the disadvantage I noticed. So other than everything is really good, and I will put the product link in the comment description box so you can check. There are a lot of other products in the market, so you can do your research and buy whatever you need. Please let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion or anything, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.